If you are ignoring these traffic sources, then you are leaving money on the table. I have got results like this, and this, all from the traffic sources I am going to show you. And they require very less time and no expertise to start. Best thing is they are very less competitive because lot of people are not choosing properly, and it does not require any money also. Let's talk about the first traffic source. If you want to generate leads faster, then this is the traffic source for you. You can generate hundreds, thousands of leads per day with Instagram Reels if you follow the right strategy. Let me show you some real examples how actually people are driving unlimited traffic using Instagram Reels. This is one of the fastest growing account I have seen, and I'm going to reveal how he get thousands, millions of views on his reels and generate lots of quality leads for his business. As you can see, this reel got 1 million views. Not just views, but this reel got so many comments, 868 comments, and these are not just comments, these are leads that he generated with just one reel. There are so many people create reels, but very less people get this kind of engagement. So what exactly he is doing in his reels? So what I have observed in all his reels, he is using a catchy hook to attract his ideal customer. So this reel has this hook, this reel has another hook, and these hooks are not just random hooks. He is using pain points and problems of his ideal customer. That's why he is getting so many views and comments on his reels. And you can see all of his reels are somewhere similar. He is using same kind of text. He is using dark theme, black in mostly his reels. So to attract his ideal audience, he using hook in his reels, and then he is giving value. He is educating his audience in the caption, and they at the end there is a call to action. If someone want to start, comment MRR, and then he will send the all the information, and people will buy from there, and he will make the commission. But the main thing is, if you know your target audience, what exactly pain points they have, problems they are facing, and you are using same language that your ideal audience relate with, slowly your content will start performing much better. So once your content is good, it will start getting more views, then you can easily can get 20-30 clicks every day. I'm just talking about the starting phase. If you keep working consistently for 60 to 90 days, your result can be much better. And then you can put the link in bio also. People will go from there. People will click on the link and they will buy the product. Also, you can put the call to action in the reels and in the caption also, so that when people will comment, you will send them the link, they will buy the product, and you will make the commission. The another traffic source I am going to tell you is a gold mine. I have personally used it and made multiple sales starting from $7, $97, even $600, all from Facebook groups. Facebook groups are gold mine. In the Facebook groups, you can easily get in front of your ideal customer. So first find 8 to 10 genuine Facebook groups where your ideal customer hang out. Now don't join public groups where people are just spamming with their links. Join private groups that has good engagement. So this is one of the Facebook group that I have joined. Now you will see lot of people asking question in the group. They are looking for the help. So instead of chasing people, running behind them to get the sale, you will going to attract them. They will come to you, answer all the question that is related to your niche. Just provide value to the people in the group. Do not hide anything. Share everything you know in the comments, because not only that person will see your comment, other people in the group will also see your comment. Also, don't use AI or chat GPT to answer the comment, because your comment should feel like it's coming from you. And if you are using chat GPT or AI, people will sense the comment is generated by AI. So it will not to be that much effective if you do comment by yourself. So to get the result, you need to make at least 30 to 50 comment for the next 60 to 90 days. Once you do it consistently, then you will able to see good result, and it's going to worth it at the end, because you will see a lot of traffic coming to your profile. Now do not do all the 30-50 comments in just one group. Make sure you are active in 3 to 4 groups. When you do this consistently, slowly people start recognizing you. They will visit your profile, send you friend request, or even they will send you DM also. And in the DM, you will build genuine relationship with them instead of just selling in the first message like most people do. Can you imagine? I have made $600 with just one single comment. So this person was asking question in the group looking for the help. I replied back to this person asking for what help exactly he need. Then I hopped on a call, helped that person to build the funnels and the automation. I did not sell anything. And later that person joined my coaching program and become my paid client because I provide value to him, build trust and authority. And this is how you should also do it. Now let's talk about the another traffic source. And this traffic source can generate you traffic for years. Even after 1 year, 2 year from now, 24 into 7 on autopilot. And that is YouTube. It's one of my favorite traffic source. YouTube is one of the second largest search engine. Yes, it would not give you instant result, but in the long run, it can generate you tons of leads and sales for your affiliate marketing business. The video you will post today will going to make you money even after 1 year, 2 year from now. That's the potential YouTube has. Also, if you are thinking you need large number of subscribers to start making money with your YouTube channel, then it's not true. You can start making money with just 500 to 1000 subscribers. I will share with you a case study how one of my mentor was making $2 to $3,000 per month with just 500 subscribers. And it's not tough to grow a YouTube channel if you follow the right strategy. So one of the strategy I used to grow my channel, getting me 100 200 views consistently on my videos with just 300 subscribers. Let me show you. So this is my channel. As you can see, I am getting 100, 200, 300 views on my videos with just 300 subscribers. So there is a strategy behind this. When you started a new channel, it's difficult to get views initially. So what you need to do is you need to find keywords that has high searches but low competition. So this is what I have done. I have find out the keywords that has high searches but less competition, and I created videos on those keywords. That's how I started getting views, because initially I was not getting views on my videos, hardly 50, 60, 29. So when I started using this strategy, everything starts changing. So once you start getting some initial 100, 200, 300 views consistently, then you can mention the products you are promoting in the videos. You can put the link in the description or in the pinned comments. People will go to the link and buy the product. Now I will show you one of my mentor channel who started making money even when he only had 500 subscribers on his YouTube channel. So Jonathan Montoya, one of my mentors from where I have learned, still learning how to build affiliate marketing business. So he started making money with his YouTube channel even when he has only 500 subscribers. And the same strategy I told you before, he was also using the same strategy on his channel by creating videos on the keywords that has high searches but low competition. So you also need to do the same. Find the keywords related to your niche and start creating videos on those topics. Educate your audience. That will going to build your trust and authority. So he started making videos related to affiliate marketing. He started teaching people how to do affiliate marketing, how to find products on different topics that a person who are doing affiliate marketing is looking for. So you also need to educate your audience by creating videos, provide value to them. This will build your trust and authority, and people will going to buy from. Now if you want complete training on how to start affiliate marketing business using AI, then click here and watch this video.